Hello students, welcome in this new video, and today I am going to teach you the diagram of the human digestive system in very easy manner. So without delay, let's start it. When we're drawing the diagram of the human digestive system, first of all we draw one face, and that face it helps us to draw the rest of the diagram. So here I'm going to draw the diagram of one face of human, and I'm giving you trick how easy manner you can draw the diagram of the face. See how easy manner you have draw the diagram, and here we make something frame which shows that this is the human body look like. Now here we need to draw first of all buccal cavity, likewise, and the nasopharynx, pharynx, and here this is pharynx, and here that esophagus, it comes down here. You can see the way I'm drawing. So here you can see this is the diagram. We starting very easy in manner. First of all we form the face, human body like, and here we form, this is the buccal cavity, and we know that buccal cavity and this nasal chamber that is also joined together in back side. So here we try to form likewise, and this chamber, it is the pharynx, that means throat region, comes down into the esophagus form, and here this esophagus, it contains J-shaped bag which is called stomach. So here we are drawing two diagram of stomach, likewise. So here you can say this is the stomach. Okay, this stomach is again joined with the small intestine. So here this is the initial area of small intestine. Now the large intestine, it comes over the small intestine and placed like in inverted U manner. So I'm going to draw likewise, and it is in curve manner. So the same pattern I am trying to draw here, and we make our best. As you can see how I am drawing the diagram. Here it becomes sigmoid, that means something twisted, zigzag in manner, and here one bigger store bag, that is a rectum, and this rectum finally opens into anus. So that is anus. You can see I have drawn the diagram. Now to make it finish and real, I just put some of the marking between this parallel curve area, so it could look like attractive and real, and something dashing. See, you can see we do not need to pay more time here, but it should also be very in clarity. Now this small intestine which is associated with the stomach, this small intestine comes here and remains coiled within the area of empty area found between the large intestine, this abdomen region. This small intestine, it is remain coiled here. So what is the pattern? I am giving you very simple pattern you can draw easily, and very excellent diagram. See how in that curve form I am drawing this. See, you just simply form this curve pattern, lines, tube structure, and it just look like that small intestines are coiled and placed between the large intestine. So that is the simple pattern. I'm giving you this trick very easily, without delaying, without wasting so much of time, because in the examination we need to take care about the timing, and for that, by God's grace, I have learned many tactics to draw the diagrams in so easy manner within the short period of time. So I'm teaching you, beta. You can easily draw this. See, this look like that the small intestine. It is in the curved manner and it is just found here. So you just need to draw the same as I'm drawing. And here, the large intestine, it is also having one bladder which is appendix, and here this large intestine joined with the small intestine. So you just need to join here. If some of the bigger empty area you can see, you just put double parallel line, but no need to pay attention so much more here because the rest of the diagram is still waiting for us. So here you can see I have completed the frame of the diagram, and there is one more thing, that is one tube found here, one duct which is the bile duct, and this bile duct is associated with the pancreatic duct. So I'm drawing this pancreatic duct because here one second large gland, leaf-like structure. So this is pancreas. So you can see pancreas found below the stomach and above this large intestine, this empty area, the pancreas seen likewise. And this duct, which is a bile duct, it is split into two parts. So you can see here, it is split into two parts. One part containing one bladder, which is gallbladder. Rest later on we will do the labeling in very good manner once. But first of all, let's finish the diagram. And the another duct area, it containing the lobe of the liver. That means one part of liver which is something like triangular in manner, and its pointed area should be towards esophagus. So you can draw easily. And from here, you just need to do this. So here the liver also formed. See, very easy in manner. We get draw liver here. We get draw pancreas, and from the liver, from the gallbladder, bile duct coming down, it is associating with the pancreatic duct, and both they are opening in the small intestine. That's very important. So now the time for labeling. Before we go through for labeling, there is one more thing, that is salivary glands. So salivary glands, they are placed in that region. So we are placing that area. This is one salivary gland, then that region, and finally at the below tongue region. So you can see the in human body there are three pairs of salivary gland found. One pair is near the below ear region, that means one is here and one is here, and second in the lower jaw region, that means lateral region of the jaw. So one salivary gland is here, one salivary gland is here, and this one, that is below tongue. So one pair is situated below the tongue. So three salivary glands are three pairs of salivary glands are found into our facial region. Okay, so here the diagram accomplished. Now very quickly we are going to do the labeling, starting with the mouth. This is mouth. When we talk about the mouth is the opening area in the language of biology. Mouth is that area which is covered with the lips. So that area called mouth. And inside the mouth, this hollow cavity area, this hollow passage where the tongue, teeth and salivary glands opens and secrete the saliva, that area is called beta buccal cavity. So we need to write down here buccal cavity in that manner. Getting? Now this throat area, that is called pharynx. So here we are writing pharynx. Then Downwards, this is food pipe. So we are writing that is esophagus. And this esophagus opens into stomach. So we should write here stomach in a very good manner. Then thereafter there should be pancreas, right? So this is pancreas or pancreatic gland. I'm writing pancreas. You can write pancreas or pancreatic gland. Then there is one duct which is found inside the pancreas, and this duct is called pancreatic duct. You must mention here pancreatic duct. Then thereafter stomach, and stomach is connected with the small intestine. So now small intestine also it is consists of three parts. So we also going to mention these three parts. First of all, this initial part which is directly joined with the stomach, this initial part of the small intestine is not bigger more than 1 feet. So this initial part, that is called duodenum. It is called duodenum. So I'm writing the first part of the small intestine, which is duodenum. Then this middle part, it is called jejunum. Jejunum, this middle part. Okay, and then last part which is actually connecting with the large intestine, it is last part. That last part is called ileum. This is the ileum. So these three parts we can see found into the small intestine. So here I am going to mention that this is the small intestine. See, I'm writing here. You can also write in your fair notes. And after small intestine, this large intestine also having some of the parts. But before that, this bladder, which is called appendix, we must write it here. It is appendix. It is one vestigial organ, appendix. And this area of large intestine, the starting area of large intestine where small intestine is going to associate, that area is called cecum. So here I am writing cecum. You can see this area. Okay, better if we make clear here. This area, initial area, it is cecum, and this area, the last area, that is ileum. Okay, now it is clear. And this main body of large intestine, it is called colon. C-O-L-O-N, colon. So it is called ascending colon. This portion of the large intestine, it is called transverse colon. This portion, it is called descending colon, and this twisted area of the large intestine is called sigmoid colon. But we do not need to mention right here. We simply form here colon, and this area we must mention, that is the rectum, which is the store bag for fecal excretory waste of our body, and last opening, that is called anus. So most precisely we have accomplished the diagram, or if you want to mention, you can mention this large intestine. For better clarity, we should write down large intestine. But already we have mentioned these part, colon, rectum, and further parts of the large intestine. And now here, that is liver. It is the largest gland of human body, liver. Then thereafter, this is gallbladder. It is gallbladder. And with this gallbladder, bile juice comes into small intestine through this duct, which is called bile duct. So that also we are going to mention. It is bile duct. And finally, the last, these salivary glands also to be mentioned. Salivary glands. And how many salivary glands found into our human body? They are found in 3 pairs, 6. Already I have told you. So now the diagram is being accomplished here. Okay, we have completed the diagram of the human digestive system, and last part, that is forming the subtitle below the diagram, which is human digestive system. So here I am going to mention the subtitle of the diagram, human digestive system, and must underline it well. In the biology, once you are drawing the diagram, 2 important things I'm giving you, bache. First, that is clarity in the diagram, and second, clarity in the labeling. If you fulfill both the requirements, you will get the full marks once you are drawing the diagram in your examination. So this is our human digestive system. I hope that will become very helpful for all of you. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you all.